Hello everyone, I want to introduce you to a new website that you might want to add to your existing curriculum, Storybird.com. This is a paid-for site, but there's a free 30-day trial included. You can set up your classes and give your students an anonymous username. When they join, the teacher will see the first name and initial of the last name. There are 3 ways to use the site: challenge, read, or write. Under challenge, you have basic or creative writing. They are pre-made and they're labeled with the grade level. When the students click on the assignment, there are directions and at the bottom, the student will start writing here. Teachers can assign to class here. Under read, teachers and students have the option of these: comics, flash fiction, picture book, long form story, poetry, and blog. When you click a tab, there's a short synopsis before you decide on reading. Click the Start Reading, and the full story will show. You will also see comments from other users. Under Write, you will choose a comic, flash fiction, picture book, long form story, or poetry. I'll choose picture book. You are given artwork options to choose from. These works are all legal to use under this platform. What I especially like with this app is that similar artwork is displayed on sides to use in your book. You can add text, change the font, and change the background colors. When changing or adding slides, you can drag new artwork You don't like this one, you just drag another one on top. When finished, you can preview or save. If you don't like it, just exit and start again. I suggest you try out the site at storybird.com and see if this would work in your curriculum. Thank you.